Welcome back to California Live. I'm Jeff Kraft here at the Super Dentist.
Dad, this place is so cool.
Let's go check it out. This is unbelievable. At the Super Dentist, everything they do is designed to turn fear into fun. So I'm here with my daughter and one of the original Super Dentists, Dr. KamiHoss. Doctor, tell me, how did you come up with this great concept?
Well, thanks. My wife and I started as a pediatric practice, and we built our whole approach and philosophy around kids and what they love. And so we knew early on that we couldn't just paint a wall colorful or put a couple of video games. We started telling stories around superheroes and villains. That turned into Super Dentist movies, which then we had our own music, and now we have augmented reality experiences so kids can enjoy the Super Dentist experience everywhere.
And I'm loving it. It's me. And you see super parents too.
Yes, we do. And when we started seeing parents, we realized that they also have a lot of negative associations of going to the dentist. So we decided, in addition to providing them with world-class dentists and a lot of advanced technology in dentistry, we also want to provide them with grown-up amenities, ranging from child care services to cafes and virtual reality experiences to even spa amenities.
I know, and I love that personalized latte with my face on it. Amazing. And I love the free Wi-Fi, the aromatherapy, the massage chair.
We've tried to think of everything.
That I tried to dabble in dentistry, only to get to know.
And augmented reality brings all the Super Dentist's beloved characters to life. AR targets are located throughout the office to give you and your child a completely out-of-this-world experience. The characters come to life to tell unique stories, interact with, and teach your child good dental hygiene and brushing tips. Bring your super kid to the Super Dentist at one of their many San Diego locations. Book your visit at thesuperdentist.com and download the free Vivara Dental app to join the fun today.